Oil prices rise on tightening supply, and Chinese markets drop despite fresh rate cuts. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Oil prices rose this morning as global supply is tightening on lower exports from Saudi and Russia. Brent crude climbed to well over $85 a barrel, while West Texas rose above $82. Both benchmark prices snapped a 7-week winning streak last week to post a weekly loss of about 2%. It came after the U.S. dollar strengthened on the possibility that interest rates could remain higher for longer. Egypt expects to begin reaping the benefits of an Abu Dhabi finance deal to buy $500 million of imported wheat starting from January. The deal will see Egypt buy wheat from UAE-based agribusiness adhere with financing from the Abu Dhabi Exports Office. The agreement will provide $100 million worth of milling wheat every year for 5 years. The purchases will be made through the General Authority for Supply Commodities' usual competitive tender process. Libya's central bank's two rival branches are reuniting after nearly a decade apart, following efforts by national parties supporting the process. CBL was divided since 2014 between the UN-backed government in the west and a parallel administration in the east supported by a military leader. The CBL manages Libya's substantial oil revenues. Officials say the reunification will increase government transparency. China's central bank cut a key interest rate this morning in an attempt to counter its growth slowdown. Activity has been depressed by weakened demand for Chinese goods and a troubled real estate sector. The rate for corporate loans was dropped to 3.45%, and the mortgage rate was held at 4.2%. Closely followed by the markets, the rates are now at historic lows. But traders seem unimpressed with the move, with both Hong Kong and Shanghai markets seeing losses today. Meta Platforms reportedly plans to launch a web version of its microblogging app Threads this week. Threads and Instagram CEO Adam Mosseri last week confirmed the web version of Meta's new Twitter alternative is being tested internally. He said they've been using an early version internally for a week or two, but it still needs some work before its public launch. And Christopher Nolan's Oppenheimer has garnered $700 million in global box office sales. It secured the #4 spot in this year's worldwide box office chart after almost 1 month in theaters. Outside of the U.S., the movie's top markets included the UK, Germany, and France, all of which accounted for more than $121 million in ticket sales.
7, 6.
I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.